Good morning, students. I am Dr. Vincent, Assistant Professor, MCA Department, Bishopur College. Today we are going to discuss about text blocks in Java and modules in Java. What is a text block? Text block is a multi-line string literal that preserves the formatting of the string, including line breaks and indentation. The syntax uses triple double quotes to define a text block, and this is a syntax of a text block. String text block is equal to triple double quotes, within there is a string and then end with the triple double quotes semicolon. The text block starts with triple double quotes and ends with triple double quotes, and everything in between becomes part of the string, including line breaks and indentation. And there is a multi-line strings, one of the key feature of text block. The text blocks used for strings that span multiple lines. String query is equal to text block begins, select start from users where age greater than 30, order by name, end text block semicolon. Another feature is preserving format. The text block preserves line breaks and indentation is preserved relative to the starting indentation of the block. And another one is automatic escape. We don't have to escape special characters like /n for new lines and /t for tabs. The formatting is built into the structure. And using text block we can control the indentation, and we can concatenation of two text blocks, and there is a escape sequences. We can still use escape sequences such as slash, single slash, double slash, etc. inside a text block. And here comes the example for text block. Class name text block example. In the main, string JSON is equal to within the text block, and there is a JSON syntax, and print system.out.println JSON. So the JSON string is defined using a text block that spans multiple lines. We preserve the format of the JSON data exactly as intended, without needing to add special escape characters. So using text blocks we can have white space, leading white space string. Text blocks automatically remove common leading white spaces. String query is equal to within the text block the same query. Here it automatically strips the common leading spaces from all lines. So it's easy to maintain correct indentation while writing code, but still ensure the string format is preserved correctly. Using text blocks with raw strings, text blocks make it easier to include large amounts of raw data like HTML, JSON or SQL queries. So here is the example of HTML and class name HTML example, and within the main, string HTML is equal to within a text block we can embed the HTML, and finally we print the HTML. So the string HTML. So the HTML string spans multiple lines, making it easy to work with raw HTML code inside our Java program. The conclusion or summary of the text blocks is simplify the creation of multi-line strings, and it supports multi-line string literals, and we can preserve formatting with the text blocks, and we can concatenation of strings that improves the cleaner of code. Text blocks improve the clarity of your code when dealing with the large strings or structured text. The next second title is module. Module is nothing but a group of related packages, classes and other resources that are bundled together. So module is a grouping of packages and resources that can be collectively referred to by the module's name. And we need to specify the name of the module and define the relationship your module and its packages have to other modules. This is the general form: module, module name, within curly phrases, module definition. The name of the module is specified by module name, and it must be a valid Java identifier. And these are the features of module: encapsulation. Classes can be accessible to other modules. The second one, dependencies, and it can declare other modules, and the dependency with other modules we can understand. Visibility, so we can specify which packages are public and available to other modules and which are private to the module. So basic structure and all the module definition and description are inside here. Module descriptor file called module.info.java. So this is the module descriptor file. So using this we can declare a module name and packages that it exports, as well as the dependencies it requires. So you can export packages you want to expose to other modules, then requires classes, the dependencies your module has. So this is creating a simple Java module. So there are two modules, module A and module B. Module A contains a package and class with a method. Module B that depends on module A and uses its functionality. Class of a Java, myClass.module A. So module A exports the package com.example.util, which contains the class myClass. Module B requires module A. It can use the classes from module A. The main.java in module B creates an instance of myClass and calls its display message. So exporting to a specific module. For this we can export a specific module to other modules. So accessible, to make a package accessible to only a specific set of modules, not all other modules. So this can be done by syntax is exports package name to module names. The example is module app funcs. So exports app funcs dot simple funcs to app start. So exports the package app funcs dot simple funcs to app start relationship. So A requires modules B and C. Module B requires modules D and E. Module C requires module F, and this is the module graph. Thank you, students.